Close Quinault, Owen L. Hello everyone, my name's Owen Oliver. I come from the people of the lower Columbia River, the Puget Sound, and the Pueblos of Isleta. However, I'm enrolled Quinault. I'm letting you guys know of my new project I'm going to release in the spring, the Indigenous Walking Tour. The Indigenous Walking Tour is the first of its kind. It's a historic, contemporary, and sense of place all combined into a 40-page full-color booklet. Right now, I'm on the University of Washington's Seattle campus on Duwamish land with the shared waters of Muckleshoot, Tulalip, and Suquamish. I'm in this really cool area on campus. It's the UW Medicinal Garden. This medicinal garden was created and curated in 1911, over 100 years ago. This garden hosts over 1,000 plants, just over 2 acres, on the University of Washington campus. There's many native plants and many Western plants. The native plants are special to me because they are the plants that my ancestors used and gathered. And with the Lushootseed on them, it feels like a place for me on the University of Washington campus as an Indigenous person. If you take any class around the environment and natural world, I guarantee that you'll use this medicinal garden in your class. For Indigenous students, this is a place to hang out, to relax, to kind of relieve yourself of the constant noise of the city. For Indigenous students, faculty, and staff, it might be a place to, hone in mentorship, to hone in thoughts of thinking about back home, because you'll see plants from here that remind you of your home. The UW Medicinal Garden is a way that Indigenous people can learn about their plants and teach others about what it means to gather appropriately, what it means to build and create regalia, and what it means to, share food with others. So I hope you'll check out the Medicinal Garden. It's a place for me and it's a place for you.